Hey guys, so today I'm gonna talk about how to make your sales machine. So one thing that you need, basically one of the most important things when you're doing a business are obviously clients. You could have the best product ever, the best marketing ever, but if you don't have consistent clients, you're never gonna take off, you're never gonna get momentum and grow your business. So you wanna create your client's machine. So you wanna create a way that you can get clients more, and more until you basically stop it. So what do I mean by this? That you need to build something that, let's say that you know that one client costs $1 for you, and that you know that if you want to get one more client, you can go there and spend $1 and get one client. That's a real business. If you can't do that, you don't have a business. Right? So a way to have recurring, consistent and predictable clients in the future is that you make a sales page, that you make a funnel. So if you saw one of my previous emails, I talked about funnels and how you can get and you can use some softwares in order to have every single step of the way that goes from someone being a stranger to trusting you and then buying from you. So why would you need this? Because in this way you get more certainty for the future, and you know that whatever, if you don't get, like, if you lose your clients, you can get more. So you have this abundance mindset and you can keep going on and on and on, and you don't have to quit. So a lot of people, they feel they need to quit when they lose clients, because, like, I lost my clients, I don't have money to pay my rent, and what do I do right now, right? And if you want to truly do this or build your business for the long term and do this like full time, you need to figure out a way, and I'm telling you the way, to just know that you can get more clients whenever you want. So right now I made a sales page that you can watch it as an example, or even model it if you want. You can go to my profile and click it there, and you're gonna see that there I made a video where I tell you to schedule a call with me. Then I put examples of all the products that I've made, all the clients that I had, and also some testimonials from clients that had worked with me. And that's it. It's pretty basic, but I know that if I get traffic there, I'm gonna get sales from there. I'm gonna get people scheduling a call and then becoming into my clients. So what you wanna do is you wanna structure all that thing out, test it out, and then start creating content. Or that could be like any free traffic strategy, like doing this, or you can also pay for Facebook ads. But the thing is that you need to have that structure, right? So that's where I come in, that's where I can help you out. If you want me to structure that for you so you can then just get people, and you know that that sales page is gonna convert them into clients, let me know. I can for sure help you out. So before I go, you can look at this way. Let's say that you have a sales page and it's made, versus contacting people all day and telling them why you're so good and showing them your results and showing them your clients every single day by phone calls, by telling people out. You have kind of this machine, this robot of yourself doing your best sales pitch over and over again until the end. So if you have a video selling your services, or like I'm doing right now, I'm doing content that I can repeat again and again and again, and I don't have to do the effort again in the future. So you kind of see it as this machine, as this person that is working for you in the future and selling people and converting them from total strangers to clients. Hope this makes sense for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.